I have created this real-time data application in Python using the Plotly Dash library. I am generating the data from sensors, the HD22 sensors and MQ135 sensors. I insert that data in the database and then retrieve in this application. So we can see here when data is updated from sensors and inserted in the database at the same time, this application retrieve data from the database and we can view data in real time in this application. So this gauge chart shows current temperature and this gauge chart shows humidity value, and this line graph shows current temperature and this line graph shows current humidity.